Today we're going to be discussing some Shiba Inu Coin news that you are not going to want to miss. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I would like to mention that you can get a free stock with the first link in the description. I actually gave yourself some free Shiba Inu Coin if you just listen up. So basically all you have to do is deposit $1 onto Public, which is actually what you're looking at right now, and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin and get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. I personally got a $300 stock worth of Amazon a while back, as well as two $50 stocks worth of Shopify and Peloton in the last week. So if you guys want to try your luck with that, go ahead and get signed up with our with Public, and then also go ahead and get signed up with our private Discord. You're actually going to be entered into a $100 Bitcoin giveaway at 100 patrons. So basically what this means is when you're part of our private Discord and you're getting our buy and sell alerts, when we get to 100 patrons, you're going to be entered into a $100 Bitcoin giveaway. So if you guys want to get entered into that, or you just want to get our buy and sell alerts and enter our private Discord, go ahead and get joined up with our private Discord with that second link in the description. But anyways, let's talk about Shiba Inu Coin today. So we're down about 1% today. I actually really like where Shiba Inu Coin's price has gone since last night when we did test that support at the 20 level. Now this is actually becoming a pretty good support at this point. We have touched the 20 level about 3 or 4 times in the past couple of weeks. And every time we have bounced right off it. So personally, I'm kind of using this as a trading pattern. Whenever we hit the 20 level and we show signs of confirmation, I usually invest, and then obviously we gain about 5% from there. So really good to see Shiba Inu Coin bouncing off that 20 support, but we'll talk more about that at the end of the video and the technical analysis. So make sure you guys stick around for that. But today we're going to be talking about Playside Studios. So if you guys don't know, Playside Studios is basically a AAA studio, which it's one of the best studios, and it's in Australia, and they are working on with Shiba Inu Coin on 2 Shiba Inu Coin games. Now, if you've been watching, you know that we're coming out with a metaverse. This is not the metaverse. Basically, the metaverse is separate. Then we have 2 Shiba Inu Coin games with Playside Studios. Anyways, Playside Studios did tweet at 3:41 a.m. might I add, obviously because they're in Australia. But they said, at Playside Studios, we are privileged to work with some pretty amazing partners. The Shib token team has got to be one of the most amazing teams we've ever worked with. We enjoy every moment talking to Shitoshi and William Volk and the whole dev team. Now, obviously, this is a very glowing review of how the Shiba Inu Coin games are going, and they are giving shoutouts to Shitoshi and William Volk and the Shib Token team. So I really like, how Playside Studios could have just created the game, not been very active on Twitter, but they have been super active on Twitter, kind of praising everything that is going on with this game. So I'm sure it is going to be amazing, and especially with the Shib team behind it, I'm sure it will. But anyways, they said, we are building something truly great together, and we can't wait to show you what is coming. #Shib Army. Much love to Shiba Inu Art, Gossip Shib Queenie, McRae John, for all your love and support. Shiba Inu Games is just the beginning. So what this possibly means is that Shiba Inu Coin could possibly be getting more than just an 8-month contract with Playside Studios. Now, I want to discuss this more in Watcher Guru's article of this. They basically said, breaking, Shiba Inu Games is just the beginning of something great, reveals Playside Studios. So Playside Games gave an update today that the game would be just the beginning of something great for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu and Playside Studios, if you guys don't know, signed a strategic gaming partnership in December 2021 to develop a multiplayer collectible card game. However, the estimated time to complete the game and go live was 8 months. The game will be released on multiple platforms, and users can choose wherever they want to access it. The Australian based game development company praised the Shib team, calling them amazing, and noting this is just the beginning of something great. The team added the more anticipation among users by adding that they can't wait to show what's coming and develop the development would blow people's minds off. So basically this probably means that they're going to be teasing the game as they make it. They're probably not going to wait the whole 8 months to reveal any part of the game. I think they're going to be teasing the game as we go on. Obviously it's very early still, so they probably don't have much tangible yet, but they probably have all their ideas and are starting to implement them now. But I think, maybe 3 months out, 4 months out, they're going to start teasing the game, definitely drumming up some hype. At Playside, we are privileged to work with some amazing partners. Oh, we just went over this tweet. For the uninitiated, if you guys don't know, William Volk is the former head of Activision and is well known for developing the Call of Duty series. Playside further tweeted, "We are building something truly great together and we can't wait to show you what's coming." The gaming firm also thanked the entire Shib team for their efforts. Much love to all of them. Shiba Inu is just the beginning. They summed up their series of tweets, hinting that a storm is in the making. So I think they're going to sign a larger partnership personally. I think they're going to be doing more of a long-term type thing. Like Playside Studios has a lot of long-term partnership with like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Dumb Ways to Die, different games like SpongeBob even. So I think they're going to be doing some more of those long-term things where we could possibly have a first game and then a second game of different iteration, and a ton more. So I think they're going to be having a very long partnership, but we'll have to see what does happen there. But yeah, what is Playside Games? Playside Games, if you guys don't know, is Australia's largest publicly listed video game developer and runs on the Australian stock market. The studio delivers high graphics and user-friendly games. Also, Playside will deliver the Shiba Inu games. The studio will provide design, production, art, engineering, user interface, and development services to Shiba Inu games. The game will revolve around the art of the Shiboshi NFT. In addition, the game is touted to be a multi-collectible card game and will be listed on multiple platforms. So basically, that is everything going on with the Playside Studios and Shiba Inu Coin partnership. I personally think this means they're going to be doing a longer-term partnership, considering they're saying this is just the beginning. So hopefully they do. If not, at least start teasing it a little bit earlier when they do have some tangible stuff to show us. But yeah, now let's go on to the global crypto market, and we can see here that the global crypto market is doing very well. Actually, it's up 1.27%, up to 1.75 trillion. After a bit of a dip last night, I was a bit scared, honestly, but Bitcoin and Ethereum back up today, doing very well. Shiba Inu Coin sitting in that 15th spot still at an $11.7 billion market cap. The volume is up 15%. We're starting to see a bit of an uptick, especially on the recovery since yesterday. We're starting to definitely see a bit of an uptick here in volume. We could be seeing a cup and handle here form, just like from what I'm seeing right here, but we'll have to check in the technical analysis now. So we can see here that we are still trading between the resistance line at the 24 and the support line at the 20. Now we bounced off the 20 once again. We have bounced off to over here, almost here, and now here. So really this 20 support is starting to be a very, very strong support for us, and I think we won't dip below this unless something really bad happens in the crypto market. But you can see here last night our RSI hit all the way to 20, but we started trending up on the MACD and we haven't stopped since. Now we are sort of in this consolidation period over the last like 2 hours. It's kind of trying to decide whether we're going to keep going up or whether we're going to reset in the 40 to 50 RSI. But right now we're sitting at about 66 RSI, which is closer to being overbought, sadly. But I could see us possibly testing the 22 today. We'll just have to see what does happen. But if we do see a bit of a dip here, we could see a cup and handle form. I'll try to keep you as up to date with our YouTube videos on that as I possibly can. But basically all you have to know, resistance at the 24, support at the 20, whichever way we break, probably bullish or bearish. So yeah, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $300 with free stock. I got a $300 stock of Amazon. Try your luck with the first link in the description. Also get signed up to our private Discord if you want a chance of getting $100 worth of Bitcoin, and you will get our buy and sell alerts, which we've been absolutely killing lately. So go ahead and get joined up with a second link in the description. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. That's going to be it for this video. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.